Let's fix the problem where share my location is not working on your iPhone. First open settings. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Next tap on location services. Make sure location services is turned on. If it's off, just turn it on. Now go back to the settings home screen. At the top, you will see your Apple ID section. If you see sign into your iPhone, tap it and sign in with your Apple ID. Because if you are not signed into iCloud, location sharing won't work properly. Now again go back settings. Now search share my location and tap on it. Now make sure share my location is turned on. After that, tap on find my iPhone and make sure find my iPhone is also turned on. Now again go back to the settings. Now scroll down and tap on screen time. Now again scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Now if it's turned on, turn it off. Sometimes screen time restrictions can block location sharing, so this step is very important. If it's still not working, don't worry, just open the control center, turn on airplane mode, wait for about 5 seconds, then turn airplane mode off. Now check again if share my location is working. And that's it. These were the easiest ways to fix this issue. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.